There are three main types of eating disorder: anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, and binge eating disorder. Anorexia involves the restricting of one's nutritional intake to an unhealthy level or having restrictions with episodes of binging or purging, essentially starving on self. Bulimia consists of uncontrolled episodes of binge eating and purging after. Like bulimia, binge eating disorder consists of uncontrolled episodes of binging without the vomiting afterwards. Of the three, binge eating is the only one with individuals being prone to obesity. Interestingly, many of these disorders stem from the need for the individual to be in control rather than to feel or look skinny. If they can control how they look or what to eat, they believe themselves to be in control of their life and life in general. Thus, many of those people with eating disorders have mental illnesses such as depression, bipolar disorder, anxiety, and schizophrenia. Unlike these disorders, however, research into eating disorders gets as little as $28 million a year, with the next lowest being ADHD with 105 million and highest being alcoholism with 505 million. Schizophrenia, depression, and other psychiatric disorders get around $350 million a year. This difference could very well explain why eating disorders for women between 15 and 24 are one of the top four leading causes of death or disability. Anorexia nervosa is the highest in mortality and suicide rates of any psychiatric disorder, 3 times higher than depression, alcoholism, and schizophrenia, and 12 times higher than in the general population. With a lack of research comes a lack of understanding in both treatments and signs of these disorders. Now, onto the treatments and nutritional help known. Most of these illnesses lead to hospitalization, where the individual is then treated under supervision. However, without a hospital, one would need not only fix their diet, but talk to a counselor, therapist, or psychiatrist for cognitive behavioral therapy. With anorexia, the recommendation is that one consume small amounts of food regularly and constantly, but gradually increasing the amount eaten. Foods include avocados, baked beans, oily fish, eggs, and nuts and seeds. Of course, this shouldn't make up the entire diet, but should definitely be a good basis as they have essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. For an individual with bulimia, they should consume healthy, low-calorie foods that tend to come up less easily. One thing to absolutely avoid would be saturated fats and processed foods. Food types to include in this diet include starchy carbohydrates, fruits and vegetables, and dairy and protein, with specific foods being whole grains, milk, cheese, fish, nuts, beans, and eggs. Lastly, with binge eating disorder, it is important to set a schedule of when to eat and how much should be eaten to avoid habits of binging and to make sure fasting and calorie cutting is not the solution being done. Food types emphasized would be fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean meats, and fat-free or low-fat dairy products. Food examples would be fish, chicken, beans, nuts, steamed or grilled veggies, and fresh or frozen fruits.